Come test drive the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, security system, electronic stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.